6 reasons why you should sleep after exercise. When you work out, your body needs time to recover so that it can continue to function at peak performance. This means that you should dedicate time to getting enough sleep every night so that your body will have the opportunity to rebuild muscle tissue and repair any wear and tear on your joints and ligaments. Watch the video to learn why sleep is an important part of healing after exercise. 1. Improves recovery. A night of sleep can drastically improve your recovery from a hard workout. A study in medicine and science in sports and exercise found that people who exercised intensely were able to recover twice as fast when they slept for at least 8 hours following their workouts, compared to those who didn't get enough sleep after working out. 2. Improves performance. Just as your body is better able to recover from exercise when you're well rested, so is your brain. When we sleep, our brain literally recharges and is better able to focus and retain information than if we didn't get enough ZZZ. It's also more creative. So if you want to be at your peak performance level during waking hours, make sure you get quality shut-eye. Please take a moment to like and subscribe. Also check out the link in the description for the keto diet. I lost 60 pounds in 5 months following this very plan, and I highly recommend it. 3. Helps maintain lean muscle. Inadequate sleep will only affect your body negatively. Studies have shown that a regular sleep routine helps maintain muscle mass and slows down its natural tendency to atrophy. On a practical level, you'll also recover faster if you rest between workouts. 4. Prevents muscle atrophy. Without adequate sleep, your body can't repair its muscles. Muscles have different growth cycles, and while some are actively growing, others are at rest. If you're not getting enough sleep, these resting muscles don't get a chance to recover from their previous workout, so they shrink or atrophy instead of growing bigger and stronger. 5. Prevents stress hormone release. A study out of Stanford University has shown that getting 8 hours of sleep each night can limit stress hormone release in response to a stressful task. For example, if you're working on a big project at work and stress is getting to you, get some rest before taking on your tasks. It may not be able to entirely remove stress from your life, but it can make things easier for you overall. 6. Improves mental clarity and function. Have you ever felt like your muscles were sore for days after a workout? How did it make you feel? Chances are you didn't want to get out of bed. That's because exercise puts stress on your body, and when your body is under stress, it releases stress hormones that counteract pain. While these hormones help in that moment, they can also hinder recovery by keeping us in an agitated state while we sleep. As we discussed above, your muscles need time to recover and repair after a hard workout. While training breaks down your muscle fibers, they rebuild themselves stronger than before, but they can't do that if you don't give them time to rest and recover. When you start training again after an adequate amount of sleep, you also prevent unnecessary soreness, which is caused by micro tears in your muscles and tissue.